Car seats are only safe if they are installed properly. Here's how to fit your baby's car seat correctly in 60 seconds. The safest place for your baby to sit is in a rearward-facing seat on the back seat of the car. Place your Isofix base so it's sitting squarely on the back seat of the car. Line up the base clips and slide them into the designated Isofix points at the bottom of the seat. When the base is in place, the red indicators on both clips will turn green. Clip your car seat into the Isofix base. The handlebar is an important safety feature and should be lifted into the upright position. If your seat has a drop-down support leg, slide the leg until it sits firmly on the floor without lifting the seat. Again, visual indicators should show you that the seat is correctly clipped into the base and the support leg is secured. If your seat doesn't have a support leg, attach the top tether strap at the back of the seat and clip it into the dedicated mounting point. Be careful not to attach it to the luggage hooks. If your car doesn't have Isofix points, you'll need to use the seat belt to fit the car seat using the coloured route guides. All car seats are fitted slightly differently, so make sure you read the instruction manual before you fit it. For more baby and child advice, as well as the latest products we've tested and loads more consumer topics, click the link on screen to sign up to our free Buy Smart newsletter. Check out the video below to find out how to fit your newborn into a car seat, and for more videos like this, subscribe to the Which YouTube channel.